For making the macaroni pizza fries, here I have 4 uncooked seekh kababs. You can use chicken chunks or sausages as well. I have a medium-sized onion finely chopped, a pack of macaroni. Here I am using tikka macaroni, a bowl of grated mozzarella cheese, a bowl of grated cheddar cheese, some vinegar, soya sauce and chili sauce, and fries. Here I have fries of half a kg of potatoes. For making the red sauce, you need 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 chicken or beef shami kababs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, soya sauce, chili sauce and vinegar 2 tablespoons each, and a bowl of tomato puree. For this, simply grind 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Heat some water in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil to it. The water begins to boil, add the macaroni to it. As the macaroni gets boiled completely in 5 to 7 minutes, drain the hot water and rinse it with cold water. In a deep pan, add some oil and add the onions to it. The onions turn translucent, add the macaroni masala. Add the soya sauce, vinegar and chili sauce. Add about 5 tablespoons of water to it. Now add the boiled macaroni. Put on the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes on low flame. About 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add the onions to it. As the onions turn translucent, add the tomato puree to it. Put the lid on and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes and the kebabs have been cooked. Now add the spices and the wet ingredients. Let the sauce cook for about 1 minute on medium flame. Red sauce is ready, pour it out in a bowl. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add the seekh kebabs to it. Add a little water and close the lid for 3 to 4 minutes. Turn the flame off after 4 minutes and take out the kebabs. So here we have our cooked macaroni, fries, seekh kebab. I have cut them into small chunks, red sauce, mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. So I'm going to make them into 2 separate containers, but you can definitely go for one. Just make sure that the container fits into your microwave. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share the video with your friends and family.